Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the core prerequisites. Make sure your account is Adventure Rank 30 or higher and Inazuma regions are unlocked. Once done, open the map and mark known Electro Elite locations, Electro Hypostasis, Electro Regisvine, and Roaming Thunder bosses. You should prepare a party with strong elemental application and burst damage. Bring 2 to 3 characters that can reliably break boss shields and keep sustained DPS. Make sure to pack basic healing or revival food so you can repeat runs without downtime. You now execute the mid-game sequence. Approach the targeted Electro Elites during their spawn time and prioritize mechanics that expose damage windows. Once the boss enters its vulnerable phase, swap to your highest single target DPS to force the material drop. Elemental reactions like Overload and Electro-charged help break phases faster. After the defeat, loot every chest and material container around the site and check your inventory to confirm the Lightning Prism drop. If not present, consider resetting your world or waiting for the boss respawn to retry efficiently. You finish by consolidating the materials and ensuring you actually obtain the Lightning Prism. Spend original resin to claim boss rewards and convert or store materials for character or weapon ascension. Once collected, make sure to transfer or craft any derived items you need. If you still lack the prism, verify your adventure rank and region unlocks, clear potential inventory overflow, and switch to a different world instance to rule out spawn or loot bugs. If issues persist, replay the boss with an optimized party and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.